Hello and welcome back to ModShapes. I'm Alex Steele. I made a really cool grip to hold my battery and my phone while I'm using the OSB camera for live streaming. I went through a few iterations and a few prototypes, but I finally finished it and I'm really satisfied. And here you have it. The Lynx Gripper is pretty great. It feels good in the hand, it holds the battery, it's easy to plug it in, and it has a good accessibility for other items. I can still control the camera and do everything I need on the screen. It's really easy to use. I'm calling this a win. And after adding the thread for the tripod and using my homemade alcohol inks to do a Pride Month colorization on this, I gotta say, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. Well, that's that for this one. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell. We don't make videos every day and I don't want you to miss a thing. Remember, it's always the right time to be compassionate. Have a great day and I'll see you soon.